Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel again. So in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a thick yellow glossy slime, which is super easy and very affordable to make. Anyone can make it in just 5 to 10 minutes, but yeah, it causes a great mess, but it turns out really great. So yeah, let's get started with today's video. So guys, before starting the video, this week's shout out goes to these people: Slime Lover, Shaya, Sudhanshi, Kirthana, Charming Natasha, Sona and Kaiser. Thank you so much guys for your amazing comments, means a lot. So you can use hashtag MuskanFam to get a shout out in my next video. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So guys, after covering it for 24 hours, your slime looks something like this. So if you'll keep it covered for more 2 days, then your slime will be crystal clear. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to make a thick yellow clear slime, and I really hope that your slime will work as well like mine did. So thank you so much for watching this video guys, and do suggest me some slime recipes in the comment section below which video you want to see next. And yeah, don't forget to use hashtag muskanfam for a shout out in my next video. So do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching, and yeah.